In your camper box, there will be a lava lamp in a bottle activity, and there will come with instructions, and then there will also be a plastic bottle and Alka-Seltzer. And then what you need from your house is vegetable oil, food coloring of any choice, and then some water to fill up your plastic bottle. So the first step is you want to fill the clear plastic bottle with water. You want to only fill it with water about halfway. Then once you fill it about halfway, you will add a few drops of food coloring, and the color can be your choice. I chose green, and I'm going to do 5 drops. Okay? After that, you will tilt the bottle to the side. This is a really important step. So you'll tilt it to the side, and then you will add vegetable oil. In the bottle, you'll fill it up with vegetable oil about 3/4 of the way. Then you will sit the bottle back upright, and then you will let the oil settle, and you can watch it settling in the video. And then you will only need half of an Alka-Seltzer tablet. And you want to do this, you want to keep the lid off when you put the Alka-Seltzer in. So the oil's settled, you can see it's even on top of the water. And then I'm going to put half a tab of Alka-Seltzer. Now, Alka-Seltzer has aspirin in it, so you will want a responsible adult to do this part. And so you'll put it in, and then you'll watch it. And you can see how it's bubbling up like a lava lamp. And you want to keep the lid off when you do this. And after you're done watching it, you can put the lid back on and redo it over and over again by adding Alka-Seltzer each time. Have fun!